Hey everyone, Random Randy here. It is, I don't even know what today's date is. Let me look, because I don't know. Wednesday, October 13th. I knew it was Wednesday, I just didn't know the date. So, I am in the new apartment. We have been here since Friday night. Today I am going to go get the last of the stuff from my ex-boyfriend's house and as much of the stuff from my storage unit as I can with a 10-foot truck. Don't really have anything big left to move, but I need to get all of my big computer stuff and my sublimation printer and all that crap. Got pretty much everything except my crafting stuff out of the house because I had the kids with me, so I needed what was essential for them to be able to function until they had to go back to school. And I'm not giving you guys a tour of the place yet because it is still so full of boxes. It's driving me nuts. I'm fueling up with my coffee, and this says Chaos Coordinator. I don't know if you can read that or if it's backwards to you. I guess we'll see. There's that. And I live on these things in the morning because I can pop it in the microwave while I'm cooking real eggs for the kids. The kids aren't here right now. They're with Adam until Monday next week. When I took today off from work, I went back to the clinic yesterday and worked like 3 sessions in a row. And tomorrow I have to get my second pokey stabby thing that I'm not going to actually say the name of because I hate that I have to get it, but all healthcare workers in Washington are required to have both of them by the 18th of October. And I am entitled to my opinion about those, and no, I don't care to hear yours. You are allowed to have your opinion as well. I'm doing it because I have to. No, I did not have a choice, and that is what bothers me about it, and I will not be okay with it. And that's that. So yeah. I'm just sitting here with the sun in my face because out the back windows of this place you get to see the sunrise in the morning and it's really nice, especially living in Washington where you don't get to see the sun very much. So when you do get to see the sun, it's like, oh my god, soak it in because you might not get to see it again, especially since the big dark is coming. Has been here, I should say. It was pretty dark for about the last week. It's kind of crappy. But yeah, so I'm just drinking my coffee, eating my eggs, and then I gotta unpack some stuff so I'll have some more boxes to finish packing up my crap at my ex-boyfriend's place. And then we're gonna go from there, and it's gonna be a long day. Because I have nobody to help me bring the boxes into the apartment. And my apartment, even though it's on the ground floor, you have to go down a flight of stairs to get to it, which is absolute garbage. It's really the only thing I don't like about this place. But I'm gonna have huge calves and thighs, so bonus, right? Right. And yeah, my hair's starting to get kind of faded. I mean, you can see in the sunlight a little bit, but it is red. I'm gonna have to use that color depositing shampoo so it doesn't start turning pink on me. Alright, I'm going to keep this short. I want it to be under 5 minutes. We do finally have internet here, though, which is amazing. So hopefully this should be able to upload pretty quick. I'm not going to bother with editing and stuff. So I will see you guys with a better update hopefully soon, and maybe with me not looking like I just woke up because, oh my god, I have bags under my eyes and it is absolutely horrible. But anyway, thank you so much, everybody who has given a kind word, who has offered monetary help, who has purchased things from the shop, who helped me out with getting my license for massage so I could actually be making enough to do this. I honestly would have had a really much harder time without the help from all of you, and I really truly appreciate it. So thank you everybody so much, and I hope you have an awesome day. Bye guys.